this is the second week of training, but I did get an order last night, so I'm about to pack it up. She got the I Put a Spell on You bundle, this gloss, this one, and this one. I ended up doing the modules earlier, so I'm just sitting here. So I might as well go ahead and get this packed up, and I'm going to ship it on my lunch break at 2. So it is the 25th now. I'm about to make a quick breakfast. I have 15 minutes. So I'm just about to make some eggs and put a waffle in the toaster. Yesterday, I took my first test. We have to take 2 tests in order to continue working there. So I ended up passing the test. I got 100. Take the last test on Friday. So right now we're just going over some more information. To be honest, right now, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in, but I feel like maybe once I like get out there, then I'll like get the hang of everything. But it is a lot of information to remember. Why does this happen? Does anybody know why this happens? So the last 3 eggs always crack. When I go in the store, I always make sure I check my eggs and they're perfectly fine. But once I put them in my fridge, it's always the last 3 eggs that crack. Why? Like, why does that happen? If you know, please let me know. Just got back from the store. It is freaking 2:48, bro. I spent all my time at Dollar Tree. So I had to pick up a few things. Definitely needed some aluminum foil. I'm gonna be cooking this weekend for sure. And then I got some more toilet paper for myself. And I'm gonna see if my boo needs some. If he don't, then I'm gonna keep it. But if he do, then I'm gonna give him this one. If you've ever been in love, have you noticed that like when you be out in the store, you just think about them and be like, they probably need this, and you pick it up for them. That's how I am. So I got him some of these because I don't really want to like go into detail about what he does, but the type of job he has, these would be good for. So I got him some of these. And then my grandma said she needs some batteries. I'm gonna put these in my purse so I won't forget them. We're going down there tonight. And then I got him a whole bunch of pens because he said he needed some pens. I had gave him one of my special pens and he freaking lost it while at work. So I got him a whole bunch of pens. I was looking for the freaking, y'all know they have the pencil holders and stuff, the boxes. They did not have any in there, so I got this big one. And let's see if it actually fits. I just got another thing of paper towels. I did not want to get this big thing, but whatever. All right, so we definitely good. So there's no reason why he should be like, he ain't got no pens. Or he lost them because you got a container. So yeah, whole bunch. I don't want to hear nothing, okay? Boom. Y'all think he gonna be very appreciative of this? If he got any other important things, he can put them in here as well. But yeah, got my boo some pans in the container, and that's it. So my oven is done preheat, and I'm about to warm my food real quick. It's literally 2:52. I'm about to be sitting here eating while they going over the lesson. Oh well, I'm hungry. Getting the video ready to go. We're basically just going over something in training right now, so I thought I'd get this done so I could upload it in about an hour and a half. So we got a package at the door. I'm excited. I just hope it fits. I can't open my door. Fashionable. I hope it fits. Like, I need it to be perfect, okay? I'm trying to put on a show. This is my Halloween costume, okay? Let's see what we're working with. This is literally my first ever costume since I've been an adult. I'm scared, y'all. I'm very small. Like, I'm so tiny. I lost so much weight. So I don't know if this is gonna fit. All right, let's see. I'm scared. Bro, this is so short. I definitely cannot show y'all this. Let's see. funny. Bro, so my whole butt is going. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of how it's supposed to look. But here are the bottoms right here. Ooh, this is real sexy, okay? And then here's the top. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to tie it. But y'all should definitely be able to fit this for sure. Okay, I'm not scared no more. So I'm gonna try it on after I get out of the shower, so I can see how it look. And then I'm gonna probably just surprise them. I'm gonna have some fun this weekend, okay? It's gonna be lit. Day has been going pretty good. Not too slow. I am ready to get up from the computer completely, but I don't have that much longer. I literally have less than 2 hours. And then I'm going down to my grandma's house and I'm going to eat some dinner with her. And then I'll probably go to the grocery store after I leave there and pick up some things because I don't have any more snacks. And then, like I said, I'm going to be cooking this weekend. He wants some stuffed salmon, so I'm going to make some stuffed salmon. And I'm probably going to do some homemade potatoes and some carrots and broccoli and some cornbread. We had it before, but we just had regular salmon and it was so good. But he wanted stuffed salmon, so that's what I'm going to make up for us. But yeah, let me go relax while I have the time to actually relax. It is now October 27th, 9:57. I got 3 minutes until I have to sit down in front of the computer. I got everything ready to go. I was supposed to vlog last night when I went out and went grocery shopping for myself, but I was on the phone the whole time and I could not hang up because it was a very important conversation. So once I go on my first break, I'm gonna show y'all everything that I picked up last night. Literally tomorrow is the last day of training and then we'll be on the floor. I'm extremely nervous because it is just so much information to remember, but I'm pretty good at getting the hang of something after I try it out. So we'll see. So right now I'm getting this package ready to go. Once 2 o'clock hits, I'm gonna go drop it off at the post office. Excuse my dirty laptop. I forgot to tell y'all, I did get a wholesale order on Tuesday and it's Friday and I got it ready to go. Make sure you check out that video. I don't know if this video will be up before then, but make sure you check it out. Show some love. And if you're interested in wholesale is available, lip scrubs and lip gloss. So I'm finally off work. It's like probably like 7:20 something now. And I look a mess. I'm about to get myself together because I cannot look like this any longer. Like, I'm tired of it. So that's what I'm about to do in a few. I'm gonna start by washing my hair and blow drying it. I'm about to fry me some chicken and make some french fries. I wanted to show y'all the stuff that I picked up the other day because I keep forgetting. These are the frozen items that I got, like some french fries, which I'm about to leave out. And then I got some frozen broccoli and frozen carrots. I got some almond milk. This is not the one I usually get. I guess they only sell it at Food Line, so I just got this one. And then I got some sausage. And as y'all can see, I've been eating these. My boo told me to get these. I've never had them before. The cream cheese and strawberry. I used to just stick to the strawberry, but they don't taste any different. So I've been eating them up. Y'all know, if you've been here, this is my favorite cereal. I got a family size of this. I got a family size of some Cheez-Its. Haven't opened them yet. This is what I be eating while I'm at work. Then I haven't had fruit snacks in forever, so I got some Welch's fruit snacks. And I got some more chocolate chip granola bars. I've been eating these. I think I'm about to retire, at least for a while again, because Cheetos are really not good for you. And I've been noticing how my body reacts to them. Like, they're so freaking good. And I can't just eat like 5 of them. I gotta keep going. And afterwards, my body don't feel good. So I know I need to stop eating these. And this is the last thing I picked up. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I could have got more, but I didn't know what to get. He wanted this. I've never had this before. I don't even think he had it before. But he wanted something different from the Simply, because we always drink that. So I got it. I hope he like it. I hope I like it. If I don't, I hope he like it so that he could take it with him. It's the white grape juice. So hopefully it's good. I'm about to go ahead and get my food ready. And then I'll probably come back when I'm washing this crazy dirty shampoo in my hair. And I just finger detangled it. This is how it's looking. Already smelling good. I really hope that my hair comes out right. I did this hairstyle some years ago and it looked good, but I didn't straighten my hair, and I think I really want to straighten it. We'll see. I hope it's not a fail. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and I really hope it comes out right because I feel like I will look so cute with it, and I want something different. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I just want to do something different with my hair because I'm tired of wearing a bun. I'm about to rinse this out though and probably give myself another shampoo because my hair is really dirty. And then I'm gonna condition it. So I'll be back. Hair is completely blow dried and it looks crazy. I need my ends clipped so bad. Look at my freaking face. My face is so oily right now. But I'm about to put my hair up and get comfortable, watch some TV until I fall asleep, and then we gonna worry about this mess tomorrow. Cause it is really a wild mess right now. This is the hair when it's fully blowed out. So it is now Saturday, the next day, and I'm about to head to the hair store. I would have been left the house, but I was watching a video. I don't know if I want to speak too soon because people be on bullshit. I am supposed to be doing something today with someone new. So if that actually goes right, then I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah, I'm going for a heat protectant, some braiding hair, and an edge control or some type of gel. I got a lot to do, so I'm gonna just go to the one around the corner, pick up what I need, and then come back home. I'm really hoping that everything goes right though, because I would love to like actually get out the house and do something with somebody. Like that, I think that'd be pretty cool. Let's go to the hair store though. So I'm back in the house now, and this is my bag. I spent $19 and some change, so not too bad. I broke my brush the other day, so I got me a new brush, the clear, and I definitely need some more hair ties. Then I had this before, but I had like the circle one. I just decided to get this small one because y'all know I don't be putting heat in my hair and all that stuff, so I don't really need this. This is literally my go-to to get my hair slicked down, but since I am going to be putting heat to my hair, I just decided to pick this up. I have used this before, like I said, so it works good. I got this heat protector. I never heard of this brand. I just got it because it was cheap. I don't even know where the price went, but I just got some type of heat protectant. It should be okay. So I just got these 2-pack 1B. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I picked up. I'm about to eat some food because I am extremely hungry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and re-blow dry my hair. And then I'm gonna get to doing it. So I decided to split this video into 2 parts because it is extremely long. I hope that you guys enjoyed the first part, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.